Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and happy May. I hope you guys are excited for another month of spring. Hopefully it's spring where you guys are because obviously you don't want any more cold weather if you're up north somewhere. But today is my How to Kill a Kit with Style May 2019 kit share. And if you guys are interested, I did a whole series on my Patreon about making these kits, going through them in real time, matching the papers, making an embellishment kit. So you guys can check that out over there. But for this month, I decided I'll just do a nice share for you guys. A little quicker than usual, probably. I have all of my page kits laid out. There's 10 here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This one over here, I'd like to mention, is a double pager. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full sheets and then 1 scrap over here in efforts to make a double pager, which will probably come with my Multi-Photo Monday gals. We'll see where that one ends up. But for this month, I decided to go back to an older style where I used to pair together papers and then make one giant embellishment kit to go with these. Now you're looking at these papers probably thinking, what the heck is your theme this month? These are all no rhyme, no reason. Which is kind of true. I put a poll up on my YouTube community tab, and if you guys are a subscriber, you guys will see those show up in your feed on your homepage every once in a while. I try to post one a day, and let me know if you guys are enjoying those in the comments down below. I could do less or more, just let me know. I like talking to you guys on there, so definitely check it out if you haven't already to help determine, what's coming up next on my channel. But I did 10 page kits with a summer theme. Now I picked out paper pads that were generally summer themed, and I'll try to mention which ones are where, but forgive me if I cannot remember all of them. This first one here, again, was a double pager, and this was not one of the first page kits I made, so these are all kind of out of order. So I have 2 of the green lattice paper, 1 of the typewriter paper, 1 of this orange diagonal stripe, 1 of the phones, and then this black. These 3, the typewriters, the phones, and then the green lattice, are from a DCWV paper pad called Hello Darlin'. This is a We Are Memory Keepers paper, and then this is another DCWV paper from a paper pad called, what was it called? Blue Minty Lace. That's what it was called. And I do have them stacked so you guys can see all of the kits at once without having to, keep looking through the whole video. This next one is 3 papers from different paper pads. You guys might be able to guess. This one's a Maggie Holmes paper from her Bloom collection. This is a marble paper from a Colorbach, I think it's Colorbach. Yeah, Colorbach paper pad with just fully marble paper. It's very beautiful. Actually, I'll show you guys that one. Very, very pretty. And then this one's from a DCWV paper pad called Joie de Vivre. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it. But very, very beautiful, very bright and colorful. Next up, we have another marble stunner here, an icy blue, mixed with a Jen Hadfield paper pad from her Everyday collection, and then again a DCWV from the Joie de Vivre paper pad. And I'll try to have everything linked down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing or looking up more information about some of these designers. These 3 papers are all from the DCWV Joie de Vivre, which is a total summer paper pad, and I paired those off of this Jen Hadfield Everyday paper. So this page kit started with this paper and then grew off to these couple supplement pieces. And I do often include scraps in my page kits, and then you guys will see the supplemental kit to go with this, which includes, the embellishments, the 6x6 papers, and all that other jazz. Next up, I have this one. The top paper here is from Simple Stories Life in Color. Then we have Jen Hadfield Everyday. Then we have the DCWV Joie de Vivre, which is double-sided. In case you guys see some weird colors, that's probably because it's the opposite side. And then here I have this set, which, oh, there's the paper clip. Joie de Vivre, marble paper, again, very, very beautiful. And then Jen Hadfield Everyday. And I did just recently use this yellow honeycomb paper on another layout in April. Loving that paper pad from Jen Hadfield. Absolutely adorable. And very, very usable. This is kind of a crazy one here. This is from Everyday as well. And then I paired it with a piece of white cardstock and then a little grid pattern here, which is from We Are Memory Keepers. A little travel collection, which I think is very cool to include kind of different subjects in one. This one might be one of my favorites from this kit. This is again Jen Hadfield Everyday. Then we have a Maggie Holmes paper. Then we have a DCWV specialty paper from their Minty Lace collection. And this is a blue metallic with cream dots. Love these colors together. That one kind of looks like spring, I'm not going to lie. But the rest of them I tried to keep very summery, very bright and colorful. This one's a mishmash of some scraps. I started off with this triangle paper, which has pink, red, green, orange, and white. Pulled in another one. This one's from DCWV Joy de Vivre. This one's from Jen Hadfield. And then the rest of these are from DCWV Joy de Vivre. Very cute. Love that one as well. And then lastly, this was the first kit that I'd made. This is from the Hello Darling DCWV kit. Then we have a white polka dot, which I believe is also from that same collection. And then we have a pink Jen Hadfield Everyday geometric pattern. Now I will say that these kits, they're a bit crazy, guys. I cannot lie to you. These ones are all over the place, which made it a little bit harder to make a kit of embellishments and stuff to go with it, but I did think succeed. One thing I want to mention is when I do these, I leave a lot of stuff out, a lot of options out. As in, I don't put any stamps in, I don't put any mixed media in this time. I don't put in any stamps, washi tape. What else did I not put in? Final touches like sequins, enamel dots, wood veneer. None of that stuff's in. Just the main bits here. So it's not too much, but it is still a lot. And I have it all in this organizer here. So as you guys can see, it's chock full of color. We'll start with the 6x6 paper pads. First one that I want to use up on this collection is the Citrus Bliss Pink Paisley set. And I believe this was actually gifted to me in a giveaway. And I don't have much left of it. A couple scraps. I think I'll be able to use this up lickety split. We got some cut aparts that are cute. Some more cut aparts. I think that one would be pretty easy to use up. And again, very summery. And then a no-brainer pick for me was picking the Jen Hadfield Everyday Paper Pad, the 6x6 version, because a lot of the patterns I use on here are in my page kits, so you're probably recognizing some of them now. To see them in smaller form is kind of cute, just to see them, scaled down, but this is in there. I believe there's only, there's 36 designs, so I have one of each design, so we'll have to use that one wisely, but use it nonetheless. Then I did pull out quite a few more than I expected. I pulled out this one, which I consider a specialty paper pack. This is a cork stack. So this is by DCWV. This one's pretty old, so I doubt they still have it, but I believe they come out with these for some other occasions as well. We got some scraps, but I thought this magenta pink color was a perfect match to several of the pinks in this collection. This is actually from 2014, so you guys can tell it's quite old, but we'll use that one anyway. Then I also pulled out the Echo Park Paper Co. paper pad, and this is the Summer Fun collection. Again, the colors are on point, bright, colorful. You guys wanted summer. I'm trying to bring you summer. I will also mention that I don't have a lot of summer photos printed, and I do not print my photos at home. So I do apologize if you want to see more summer photos in this one. I'm not 100% sure, but I did try to bring the summer color scheme to, the How to Kill a Kit with Style this month. So we'll see how it goes. And I also pulled in this Studio Calico paper pad. This one is a 6x6 from their May 2015 collection, their card kit for May 2015. Lots of neutrals, which are not visible or not there in the other paper pads. So I thought this would be nice to have to use. And it's also falling apart, so I kind of wanted to throw it in here as a wild card. So those are all the paper pads I picked. More than I usually pick, and again, I totally could have gone in here, matched the 6x6 with each page kit, but this allows me more options to figure out what photos are going to go with each page kit. And that's just how I tend to work, is to have more options rather than less. And I do apologize for the fluctuating lighting. The sun keeps coming in and out from behind the clouds, so it's causing a lot of brightness issues in here. After I pulled out the paper pads, I did go for some alphabets. Now, you guys know I used to never pull out alphabets for my page kits, or my monthly kits, I should say. But as of late, I have been doing that. So that's kind of, something's changing. I pulled out some new stuff. I pulled out some good stuff. To start off, I pulled out these basic gray-red ones. Just a simple flat alpha. Not a ton of red in this kit, but where there is red, these match pretty well. So I figured that would be a good option for a lot of subtitles, smaller bits and titles, stuff like that. I pulled out these stickers, which are the High Five stickers, because I've yet to use them and I've owned them for way too long. So I think some of these would work really well for summer layouts, like relax, yay, happy, hooray. There's a lot of things that could work, so I'm hoping I can use at least one of these because it's about time. Then I pulled out some fonts that were missing a lot. I have the Dear Lizzie font in Good Vibes, and then the Spooktacular font, foam font from one of the Halloween collections. So both of these are dwindling in letters. This one a lot more than the gold, but there is a lot of gold in this page kit. All of the papers, or some of the specialty treated papers, are gold in some of my kits. So I pulled both of those out as options. And then I pulled out two colored options. These two are a little different. We have a darker, more subtle pink, and then we have a bright peach color. So these are in the font Polish, and then these ones are in the font Patchwork. And these are fabric letter stickers, which I think adds a lot more texture onto the pages. And I thought these colors went well with a lot of the florals, the pinks. I think it'll just, end up going very well on those. And I did pick out another alphabet. It was a simple alphabet from the Atwell collection by Fancy Pants, just a nice green. I thought, I should be using more of my colored letters. So I pulled in some more so I can do some longer titles, some font mixing, which I hope to bring a class out about soon over on my Patreon. So stay tuned to hear more about that. Now, one thing you guys are probably all waiting for is the die cuts. Now, it's just a giant pile because I did something a little bit different this time. Instead of sifting through my personal die cut collection, I just found some new ones to use. So these are the Vicki Boutin Field Notes collection, as well as the Illustrated Faith. Not the She Blooms, it's the other one. Why can't I think of what it's called? Not She Blooms, it's You Are Loved. These are the You Are Loved ephemera pack from that. And there's several bright colors. I don't want to go through all of these because you guys will see them throughout the month, but it's mainly Vicki Boutin down here, and then I have a couple of the ones from Illustrated Faith. And these are my first items from Illustrated Faith, so I'm really excited to try to use them up. But as you guys see, there's bright pinks, there's yellows, there's oranges, we got teal, we got red, we got black. A lot of contrast available for lots of layering options. Now on to more embellishments. I pulled out quite a few stickers here. First, I have these Paper Studio stickers. These are actually planner banners, planner icon banners, but I think the colors go pretty well with the kit overall. I also pulled out these Pink Fresh Studio exclusive puffy stickers. I'd love to use more of these up. When I see a half-empty package like this, it kind of propels me to use them a bit more. So I pulled out more of those to try to use those up. Again, more puffy stickers because it's a Caitlin kit. There's going to be a lot of puffy stickers. But particularly these magenta stickers match fairly well with the magentas in the rest of the pages. Then I also have two sets of flat heart stickers. I have a bigger set, which is just from a random online company, and then some Studio Calico ones. They're in orange, yellow, and green. I think those will layer well into clusters and add some more color to the pages. Then I pulled out some new LA Studio labels that I have not used yet. I believe I bought these around Christmas time, and they're still not cut in two. So these are 2017 and 2018 collections. We have Family Fun over here, and then we have Noteworthy over here. So we have some that do have words on them, and then some that are blank. Perfect for layering different clusters, and I love the colors of all those. We're in the home stretch of this kit share, so I hope you guys are holding on. And make sure you guys check out everyone else's kits. I'll have everyone that's participating in May linked down below. And I have recently gotten a lot of questions about what How to Kill a Kit with Style is. Essentially, it's a Facebook group where collaborators or YouTubers are invited to join in. So if you guys are a YouTuber and want to join in, let me know and I can talk to Sarah, and I think it's Maura who also helps run it, about joining, because essentially any YouTuber can join. We'll just put you on the collab list, and then everyone links to everyone for the first of the month where we do a kit share, and then at the last of the month when we do what we made with our kit, so a kill a kit video, so what's left of our kit and what layouts we created. So essentially there's only 2 videos a month for most How to Kill a Kit with Style people, and then they usually have updates in between. I usually share my process videos throughout the month. But essentially that's what it is, just a big collaboration with no rules. You do what you do, you link to each other. It's a fun time. So definitely check out everyone linked down below. There's some new ones joining us this month, so you'll want to check them out. Back to the kit, I have the Illustrated Faith Seeds of Faith vellum pieces included. These are a bit springy, and if you guys are interested in seeing more about my shopping adventures, I have done several Instagram story trips as of now. Like when I found these, I made an Instagram story about it. So definitely check me out over on Instagram, which is always linked down below. But I'm using those. Despite them being a little spring, I think they're still really cute. And then I pulled in this Amy Tangerine set. Now this is one of her older sets from 2013. Very vibrant, very fun. I think this could work beautifully for summer pages. We got the umbrella, we got adventure, everyday, hearts, arrows, titles, ice cream, globes, another font. It'll work beautifully. So I pulled that out. I did use this in April as well, but as you guys can tell, there's not a lot of overlap with April's kit because it was quite a weird kit from what I normally do. And I know several of you are very excited when I use older supplies, so I decided to pull out these, which do match my kit pretty well. These are some really, really old K & Company tags. Like, so old. I probably had these when I was in middle school. Granted, this, like me writing out this title, trying to pretend I knew. I didn't know how to spell the word daughter. That's why I was writing it down to double check and check to see if I liked that marker. But these are actually embossed stickers. And I'm not sure where they're actually from. I think they came in a kit, but these are some embossed stickers. And I'll tag, so hopefully I can use these as journaling spots. I think that would be a kick. Really cute. I did pull out these new items as well. These are some new puffy stickers I picked up at Michael's. And they're just so puffy. I meant puffy, not puppy. But these are by Momenta. Absolutely adorable. Super summery. So many cute things. Very beachy as well. So these might end up on some Disney pages. So be aware of that. So there could be some Disney coming along here. Lastly, in my kit, I have another new item. This is the sticker book from American Crafts. Now, I won't flip through the whole thing and show you every page, but I will show you the back and then do a quick flip through. There are so many beautiful summer colors in here, and I love the word strips. I love the journaling spots. There's just so much to be loved about this one. And I talked about this in my Tuesday morning video, which I'm not sure if it's up yet. It should be, and if it is, I'll have it linked down below, where I take you guys to a Tuesday morning in a different state with me. I was on a business trip, so I got to go to a different Tuesday morning. But here are the beautiful pieces. The washi strips are great. Like I said before, I don't include that kind of stuff in my kits typically. Really depends, but I really adore this. Now, I do want to know if these are designed by the same people who make the collections, because this looks exactly like Heidi Swaff's font. And I just feel like a lot of these are reminiscent of the designers that we know and love at American Crafts, but I'd really like to know who the designer was who did all of these beautiful fonts and calligraphy. But let me know what you guys think if you've tried one of these just plain American Crafts ones. I think they're very beautiful, very easily to use, and you guys love the sticker books, so I brought one back to put into this kit. So we'll see how much I use of this one. But let me know if you guys wanted to see anything else in this kit. You guys did pick out the summer theme, so I hope this satisfies your summer. I know you can't see a lot of the papers, but again, very bright and bold colors, which is outside my comfort zone. So we'll see how that goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this kit share. Again, be sure to check out everyone down below and let me know if you have any questions or something you want to see me scrapbook with these kits. Like, is it, you know, outdoor photos you want to see with the bright colors, or do you want to see me use like everyday photos with these bright, you know, summery themed items? Let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys again so much for watching. It means a lot to me. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you're not already. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye!